How to enable or disable guided access to play a sound and have the remaining time spoken before time ends on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Guided Access. Then we go down and tap on Time Limits. In here, in the Alarm section, tap on Sound. To turn it on, you can choose the sound, and then tap on Speak if you want to have it speak aloud after time before it ends. So here you can turn it on or you can switch it off. Or you can just have the alarm sound play only without speaking out the time limit, the time left. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.